Alright, today I want to talk about the Moringa Oleifera tree, and it's a nice tree to have because it has edible leaves on it, and it grows as a perennial, and it grows nice and thick. So you can take these leaves right here, and they go. So it's really high in protein and other vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C. So it's one of the most nutritious plants out there. So I suggest you plant one. It's a tropical tree. Basically, I started it from seed. I cracked open the seed pod, which exposes a smaller seed. You plant that easily in the middle of the spring. It should be growing fine. And just upgrade it to a little larger pot, but you can really just plant them straight into the ground. I kept this in the pot, and this is after about 3 months of just growing on its own and kind of being neglected. Over here, you can see I planted one into a raised bed, which has very little soil, and it grew this massive tree right here, which is probably about 8 feet tall, and about, I'd say about 1.5 inches, almost, yeah, probably 2 inches at the base of the stalk here. And so that's a pretty hardy tree. And once again, these leaves can be eaten by yourself, grind up, made into a tea, or even fed to livestock. So it's a super productive tree. It is a tropical tree, so you can grow it as an annual in most of the country, and it should do, or most of the United States of America, and it should do good. But if you're living in like Florida or even Arizona, parts of California, you can grow this probably on the southern side of your house and be just okay. So anyways, just an experiment here to grow it here, and it's doing just fantastic. So